Turn up this one mic over here.
In our hula awana or modern hula traditions, we're very blessed that over the years and generations, we've developed the use of implements, various implements that are unique to our own culture, including the next implement that the ladies will be using, which we call the pu'ili, or the split bamboo. In Hawaiian, the ohe is the bamboo. Here, I believe it's called the ofe. So we welcome our haumana this time in their hula awana with their rousing rendition of kuwili, with the use of the pu'ili. Mahalo. Again, that's the pu'ili here, split bamboo. Our ladies will be back shortly. You know, in Hawaii, you also will be able to witness our keiki, and hula is a very big and popular thing among our kamali'i as well, our children. And there are many, many halau, both at home in Hawaii and our islands and abroad. Of course, we have only 2 keiki with us at this moment, a part of our delegation. Actually 3, but 2 on stage at the moment. And we'll introduce them to you, and they're going to share hula with you. This is sisters Pi'ikea. Pi'ikea is the older one. She's 8 years old, and her sister Ka'onohi, who is Eono, 6 years old. These are the daughters of the Kumu, Tracy and Kiawe. And they're going to represent all the kamali'i back home in Hawaii with this song, their hula rendition of Kaulana Moloka'i. Moloka'i is an island, according to Hawaiian folklore and myth, that was the child born of Hina, you know Hina, in some places in Polynesia, Sina, and of course Sky Father Wakia. And so they share with you Kaulana Napua for Moloka'i.
Moloka'i
May ka'i ar kamali'i, pi'ikea, and kaunohi. And of course, that's how tradition is transmitted and imparted to our kamali'i, so that they can continue the next generation.